Is your Android phone stubbornly stuck in safe mode without a working power button? Don't panic. Today, we're diving into the secret handshake to escape this diagnostic limbo when your power button has thrown in the towel. So, your power button's gone Mia, and safe mode won't let you enjoy your apps. The usual method of holding the power button to restart is out of the question, but fear not, there are clever workarounds. Our first alternative involves a specific combination, your volume buttons first. Locate both your volume up and volume down buttons. We'll need to press them in a particular sequence. Now, here comes the magic. Press and hold both the volume up and volume down buttons at the exact same time. Keep them held down for a good solid 10 to 15 seconds. You're essentially trying to trigger a hard reset signal, even without the power button. If that combination worked its magic, you should see your phone's boot logo appear, indicating it's starting a normal reboot. Keep your fingers crossed. And voila, you've successfully bypassed the broken power button and exited safe mode. Your phone's full functionality should now be restored, allowing you to enjoy all your favorite apps again. Remember, this trick is your lifeline when the power button is out of commission. Keep this in your toolkit for those unexpected moments.